Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to easily incorporate dried flowers into your fall glam powder manicure. Make sure you thoroughly prep nails to ensure adhesion and long-lasting wear. Push back cuticles and shape and buff nails. Clean with alcohol, you're now ready to proceed. For this video, we picked 3 autumn-inspired glam powder shades, as well as clear powder. Apply a coat of Step 2 Rossi base to the full nail, stroking out towards the nail tip. Immediately dip into clear powder to create a strong foundation. Repeat applying the base and avoid getting the product on cuticles. Carefully dip the nail into Marmalade, a beautiful glitter shade. Tap the finger to get rid of excess powder. Next, we dip the middle finger into Merlot and the pinky into Scarlet to create an autumn-inspired manicure. Wait a few seconds for the base coat to dry and brush away the excess powder. Repeat the color application on the solid color nails to create the strength and deepen the opacity of the color. Remember to dip your fingers at a 45-degree angle for the best results. Apply another layer of base coat and arrange the dried flowers on your nail plate. You can reapply a small amount of base to help the flowers stick better. It's best to use the toothpick or orange wood stick to press down any flowers that are sticking up. Finally, apply an even layer of base coat and dip your nail into clear powder to encapsulate the flowers and keep them secure. Powder looks cloudy on the nail, but don't worry, it will turn transparent in the next steps. Always remember to brush off excess powder to avoid contaminating the liquids. Apply activator to all the nails to cure the powder. Lightly file and buff the nails to smooth them out. Remove the filing dust using a lint-free pad soaked in alcohol. Apply 2 coats of Rossi top coat. When applying the Rossi top coat, the first layer should be applied using quick strokes. Wait for 20 to 30 seconds before applying the second coat. As always, keep your cuticles hydrated with our best-selling Rossi Nourish Cuticle Oil. Enjoy the fall season and experiment with different color combinations. You can use the encapsulating technique to decorate your nail with different stickers and glitters. We would love to see your recreations on Instagram and give you some love. Please tag us at Rossi Nails Official. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what other types of videos you'd like to see from us next. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section.